And a good afternoon, James.sickler here from nhstormcenter.com, tracking our next and latest severe weather potential making system. These two areas of low pressure are going to be making its way through tonight. This is the first batch going to get here into later on in the afternoon, early portions of the afternoon, and the low pressure near Kansas is where we're going to be seeing that chance for the more severe storms getting into later on tonight. Here's looking at your temperatures right now, mid to lower 70s in some areas, but otherwise mid to upper 60s for most locations. Futurecast showing a very interesting setup for tonight. A lot of the models are showing very differently, so I'm trying to figure out which one is going to be the best right now. I'm looking at the HRR or the HRRR model. This is what we're looking at between 9 and 10 p.m. in line. Most of the models are agreeing there's going to be a line moving through approximately anywhere from 8 to 10 after that first batch gets here earlier parts of the evening. Here's your severe threats. This is the tornado threat, so we do have a 5% chance of tornadoes anywhere in the darker brown color. And for the hail threat, we do have anywhere in this yellow or the tan color. We do have a threat for 15% chance of inch in diameter size hail or greater. Here's your wind threat. For excessive winds, this is going to be a 30% chance of seeing winds approximately 60 to 70 mile an hour plus in the afternoon. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that for you. Some of the storms again could produce some extreme winds or wind gusts and damages for tomorrow. And your thunderstorm forecast again marked an enhanced risk for most of southern New Hampshire, and then a slight risk as we get into the northern and central parts of the state, and then we do have the smaller chance for the severe weather up in very northern areas of the state. Again, it's going to be very humid for the rest of the afternoon. That's more going to fuel these storms, so it's going to enhance the severity of the storm. I'm assuming the Storm Prediction Center is going to issue a severe thunderstorm watch at some point this afternoon for this evening, because this humid air and all of the sunlight that we're going to be getting through this storm is going to be a factor to making these storms stronger than they already are. Dew points mid to upper 50s and lower 60s in some areas, so it's going to be feeling very muggy outside today. But then as we get into later on this weekend, it's going to be cooling out, and we do have another chance of rain for Monday. Surface cape, this is what we look at to see what the risk for some severe weather is. So again, this is going to be around 9 p.m. So this forecast is pretty much spot on with the Storm Prediction Center's forecast. So anywhere you see in the blue or green or yellow colors, the yellow is the highest chance of seeing some severe weather, potentially some supercells starting to form, could produce a tornado here and there in the enhanced area. So again, keeping an eye on that for you. Going to be doing a live stream or a video every single hour after 3 o'clock in the afternoon to keep an update on the forecast. Precipitation going to be fluctuating between 0.6 to an inch of rain or more in some areas, as the heavier rainfall from these thunderstorms could get even more rain for some areas. Your thunderstorm forecast, the rest are again, thunderstorms are enhanced. Wind gusts are going to be strong to damaging, so we could get 60 to 74 mile an hour winds or greater. Hail is also an enhanced threat, so we do have that chance of seeing inch to 2 inch in diameter size hail or greater within the colored area for the enhanced. Flooding is also moderate. We do have that chance of seeing some heavier downpours located in some of those thunderstorms. Again, we have a 5% chance of seeing a tornado. So if we do get a supercell forming with not the straight line winds, but again, if the storms start to rotate, we are going to be doing a live stream to keep you updated on that storm. And if we do get the potential for a tornado warning,